With thousands of tasks for hotel staff to accomplish, laundry rises to the top as the most tedious of them all, only to get dirty again and again.
Steve. Hey, Steve. How's 204 looking? It's ready.
There's definitely a better way to do this. It's called Tumbl. The quickest way to get your laundry washed, folded, and returned to you in under 24 hours. And it's cost-effective.
I can't help but feel good.
Hey, is there somewhere we could do laundry around here?
Sure. You download the Tumbl app, scan this QR code, place your items in this Tumbl provided bag.
Tumbl will have it delivered back to you within 24 hours.
Awesome, thank you.
No problem.
Tumbl also services your guests so that they can stay at your hotel longer and get their laundry taken care of at affordable prices, fast. We're the app that pays you commission, allowing your team to be revenue superheroes. Your entire concierge and housekeeping team will breathe easier with Tumbl, leaving your employees happier and more engaged. Tumbl. On-demand laundry when you need it most.